KiddiWinkie Schoolhouse, we believe every child holds the potential to be a leader of tomorrow. Each child is unique, bringing their own special talents and dreams. Through a thoughtful balance of play and school readiness, we nurture children to grow into confident, happy individuals. Children who are curious and intelligent, expressive in their creativity, and resilient in their spirit. At KiddiWinkie, we prepare every child with the skills and tools they need to thrive in the 21st century. Together, we shape the future. One leader at a time.